All right, we're pushing towards the finish line. We're almost ready to push our course out. We need to go in and we need to hide unused or unnecessary navigation items from the menu so that students only get what we want them to have. Okay, this is building off a lesson that you've already done on how to do it, and so we can go pretty quickly on this one. But remember that a couple things, that as we remove things from the side menu here, if it is not there, except for pages and assignments, I believe, it blocks the student from accessing it. So, examples. We'll go into settings. We're going to go into navigation. And we're going to pull down and pull up any navigation items that we want and don't want our students to have. So, I don't want them to see attendance. They don't see it anyways, but I don't even want it there. Google Drive, don't want, not going to use conferences. Yeah, we're going to take syllabus out because our page is set as syllabus. And let's take out chat. And I'm just choosing some. The lower the grade, the less things that you should have in the navigation. So the lower the grade, the less things that you have in the navigation. But I use modules, but I'm going to take modules out just to show you what it's going to be. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay, now home. Good. I was a little bit nervous that if we took syllabus out, and you see that the student, go into student view here. Even though I took syllabus out of here, this page, my home page, is a syllabus. They can still see it. So I don't need it to be over there because it just takes them to home. But I took modules out, and I'm going to hit start here, and that page has been disabled for this course. It's not going to let me in. It's not going to let me in. Why? Because I've disabled it. So I got to make sure that if it is something that I want the students to use, such as modules, I have to make sure that it's still in the navigation. And we'll test this out together too. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the right navigation. There goes my camera again. And what I encourage teachers to do is start small and then build. It's okay to add some items later. So, for example, all classes from really upper elementary, 3rd, 4th, 5th up should have the grade book there, just because parents need to be able to see their grades as they're moving along. Your grading assignments, they need to see them. So the grade book or the grades need to be in here. But doesn't need to be there for a kindergarten class, and so you might take that out. But anyway, so I took pages out, and then we're going to go into student view, just to show you. Student view, and I can go to a module, and even though there's no pages there, it will still let me go to pages. Okay, and so this will come in handy for teachers. SPED, title, IAs, those that need to build individual student pages so that they cannot, like a student can't come and access the whole pages list and see everybody's pages. And so, Timothy's student here, he has his own individual page that we can give him the link to. And there's some techniques there. But we could do that by just removing pages from the modules. So before you push your course out, you need to hide unused items, decide what items you're going to have in there. Remember, some things should stay announcements depending on your grade level. Okay, and you can refer to both the guidebook from the district as well as your admin or your grade level Canvas trainer or myself if you need some help on that one. Cheers.